Welcome. Today we're building the iconic Hemnes Daybed. This is a big project, so take your time and clear plenty of floor space. Before we start, you'll need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a hammer. It's always best to build this with a friend and use a rug to protect your floors. Let's check our hardware. You'll need various dowels, screws, and wheels. Ensure you have the quantities listed here before starting section 1. Continuing the inventory, check for your long screws, cam locks, and brackets. We'll use these across the 3 main assembly sections. Finally, check your drawer slides and knobs. You should have 3 sets of slides for the 3 spacious drawers. We will assemble the bed in 3 phases. First, the drawer frame base, then the main bed frame, and finally the drawers themselves. Let's start the drawer base. Take the 4 internal support rails and attach 2 wheels to each rail using the specified screws. Make sure the wheels are positioned correctly as shown. Now, flip the rails over and attach the CR marked drawer runners. Use 2 screws per runner to secure them to the side of the rail. Repeat the process on the other side of the rails with the CL marked runners. These will hold your drawers in place later. Grab those wooden dowels and insert them into the pre-drilled holes at the ends of all 4 support rails. Find the long front frame piece. We're going to screw in 2 metal support brackets at either end using the Phillips head screws. Take the long back rail and begin inserting the small screws along the designated points. These will serve as mounting points for the runners. Along that same back rail, screw in the metal cam lock pins. Be sure to drive them in straight so the joints are tight. Align the 4-wheel rails we built earlier with the back rail pins. Push them together firmly. Drop the circular cam locks into the holes on the side rails and turn them clockwise to lock the frame together. Take your 2 smaller side panels for the drawer base and insert the wooden dowels into the edge holes. Slot these side panels onto the ends of the back rail assembly you just built. Just like before, insert the cam locks and tighten them to secure the side panels to the back rail. On the inner side of the assembly, screw in the metal L brackets to reinforce the front corners. Take the long, decorative front rail and screw in the small Phillips screws into the pre-drilled holes along the length. Finish preparing the front rail by screwing in the remaining metal mounting pins. Lift the front rail and lower it onto the drawer base frame, aligning all the pins with the holes in the vertical support pieces. Lock everything in place using the cam locks located inside the front part of the frame. Check all remaining open cam lock holes along the front rail and lock them to ensure a rigid base. Now we're adding the slats. Screw in the designated small screws into the holes on the top of the cross rails. Grab the plastic slat pins and push them into the holes at the end of each wooden slat. Lay the slats across the drawer base, snapping the plastic pins into the holes on the frame rails. Moving on to the main bed frame. Start with the large back panel and attach the L brackets using the screws shown. Take the 2 tall side panels of the bed and insert the mounting screws and dowels as shown in the diagram. Insert the remaining wooden dowels into the top and bottom edges of the side panels. Stand the back panel up and connect the side panels using the long furniture bolts. Use the provided hex key to tighten them. Tap the 4 plastic caps into the top of the bed posts using your hammer. This gives it that clean Hemnes look. Inside the main frame, attach these small metal brackets that will help guide the pull-out section. Take the support slats and attach the plastic spacers at each end using the Phillips screws. Mount the long metal support rail across the inside of the bed frame, securing it with the provided hardware. Just like the drawer base, push the plastic pins into the pre-drilled holes on your main bed slats. Snap the slats into the main bed frame. Warning: do not sit on the slats until the entire bed is fully assembled and combined. With the help of a friend, carefully slide the drawer base into the main bed frame. It should glide smoothly on those wheels we installed. Once combined, use your hammer to drive the textured pins into the designated holes along the top edge of the base unit. Place the long top decorative rail across the back panel, ensuring it's centered. Reach under the top rail and secure it by driving screws upward through the frame, as shown in the detail view. Final stretch. Let's build the 3 drawers. Insert the wooden dowels into the side panels of each drawer. Slide the side panels onto the back panel of the drawer and push them together until flush. Insert and tighten the cam locks on the back of the drawer to secure the 3-sided frame. Slide the thin drawer bottom panel into the grooves of the side and back panels. Align the drawer front panel with the sides and press it into place. Tighten the final set of cam locks to secure the drawer front firmly. Flip the drawer over and screw on the drawer slides marked DL and DR to the corresponding sides. Push the drawer knob screw through the front and tighten the stylish round knob on the outside. Slide your finished drawers into the bed. Make sure the bed is placed on a level surface. Your Hemnes Daybed is now complete and ready for your favorite mattress.